In this video, I'll guide you through how to schedule email campaigns in Klaviyo. Whether you're aiming to engage your audience with timely updates or promote a special offer, scheduling your email campaigns effectively can make all the difference. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to ensure your emails reach the right people at the right time. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to ensure that your email template is all set up. This involves crafting your message, adding any images or links, and making sure it aligns with your branding. Once you're satisfied with how your email looks, you'll need to finalize your design. Navigate to the top right-hand corner of your screen where you'll see the option marked Done Editing. Click on this to save and exit the design editor. This step is crucial as it locks in all your hard work and ensures your email is ready for the next phase. Now that your email template is ready, it's time to choose your timing settings. Timing is everything when it comes to email marketing. You want to make sure your message lands in your recipients' inboxes at a time when they're most likely to engage with it. Klaviyo offers a range of options to help you optimize this timing. You can choose to send your email immediately, schedule it for a specific date and time, or even set it to go out at a time that's personalized to each recipient's time zone. Selecting the right option depends on your campaign goals and your audience's behavior. If you're targeting a global audience, consider using the Send in Recipient's Time Zone feature for more personalized delivery. Once you've decided on the timing settings, it's time to schedule your email campaign. In Klaviyo, scheduling is a straightforward process. After setting your preferred timing, you'll see a button labeled Schedule. Clicking this will bring up a confirmation window where you can review your settings one last time. Make sure to double-check everything from the send time to the email list you've selected. This is your opportunity to ensure that everything is just the way you want it. Before you hit that final confirm button, here are a few extra tips to keep in mind. It's always a good idea to send a test email to yourself or a colleague before scheduling the campaign. This allows you to see exactly how the email will appear in someone's inbox and catch any last-minute typos or formatting errors. Additionally, consider reviewing your email list to ensure all recipients have opted in and are expecting your communication. This helps to maintain a positive sender reputation and reduce the chance of your emails landing in the spam folder. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to schedule your email campaigns in Klaviyo. By following these steps, you're well on your way to executing a successful email marketing strategy. Remember, the key to a great campaign lies not just in the content, but also in the timing and delivery. With practice, you'll become more adept at gauging the best times to connect with your audience, maximizing both engagement and conversion rates. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more guides on how to make the most of your digital marketing efforts. We'll see you in the next video.